travel companion Tanvi Dixit. Welcome back to another video. When you think about shopping in Goa, what do you think of? Dresses, hats, jewelry, dream catchers, the works, right? Now you have these mini bazaars on the roads leading up to every popular beach, right? But there are some markets which are extremely special, and today I'm taking you on a quick shopping haul to one such market which happens only once a week, every Saturday night. Welcome to the Saturday Night Bazaar at Arpora. Let's go. When in Goa, you have to get in touch with your inner hippie, right? So that's what I'm doing. Braiding your hair is like the quintessential thing that you always do when you come to Goa. Now you can get it done on most beaches, but my favorite place is right here at the Arpora Saturday Night Bazaar. I'm getting 2 braids made in my hair at just rupees. Didi, kitna? कितने में करोगे? ये 50 वाला है ना आपका? 50 वाला. At 3,200 rupees, and also take a look at the djembe that he's playing. Voila! Look how pretty! Here at the Saturday Night Bazaar, you will find multiple stores selling dream catchers in all possible sizes, colors, patterns, shapes and whatnot. So the price range usually is between 300 to 900. 300 you'll find the smaller dream catchers, and then if you want to go for the really big ones, they'll go up to like 900,000, sometimes even 1,500. But you can bargain a little bit. Most stalls over here are ready to negotiate. So remember, bargain, bargain, bargain. If you're looking to take back some fun, quirky jewelry, then you can stop by like one of these jewelry stalls. You'll find everything ranging from like crystal pendants to bracelets. My personal favorite are their seashell anklets. Look how pretty. This is such a Goa thing for me. Whenever I come to Goa, I take back a seashell anklet with me and then wear it for as long as I can to just hold on to the vacation feels, you know. And these are priced at just rupees 50, so it's not a bad deal at all. I stumbled upon this ultra cool stall called Nidra. It's time for wind chimes and dream catchers to move over because wind spinners are the new it thing. Just look at how cool, how trippy, how crazy these designs are. You find all possible shapes, colors, patterns, and a lot of them have these illusion effects where you can actually see the crystal moving up and down. They are fabulous. They are priced at 1,500 to 3,000 depending upon the size and the shape. If you're in Goa, you're going to definitely need a beach bag. So I found this store for you that has an amazing variety of beach bags. I love these big round ones. They're priced at 1,200 rupees, and they also have the cute round Bali style bags which are priced at 850, but you can bargain a little bit. So I think I'm definitely going to pick out one of the big ones because I think for me a beach bag has to be like a big tote. Ultra cute coasters, and they look literally like mini Portuguese tiles. Look at all these beautiful patterns and colors. These are priced at 200 rupees each, and these are actually made out of ceramics, so the quality is quite good. These could be great, souvenirs to take back for your friends and family. I have had so much fun shopping at the Saturday Night Bazaar at Arpora today. I highly recommend, if you love shopping, definitely make a stop by here. It only happens on Saturday night, so make sure it's a Saturday when you plan this. I think I'm done for the day. I'm heading back now. This is me, Tanvi Dixit, your travel companion, signing off for now. I will be back. As always, you know the drill. Till then, like, share, subscribe.